The iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max is designed to enhance convenience and efficiency for users seeking versatile cleaning solutions. Its advanced features and functional design cater to modern households with mixed flooring types. If you're interested in this product, you'll find the link in the description. Now let's dive into its pros. The device impresses with several innovative features. It mop lifts completely out of the way to avoid carpets, making it highly efficient for mixed flooring types. Additionally, the clean base serves as a tabletop, adding functional versatility to its design. Users can also benefit from its app room cleaning estimate feature, which enhances planning and efficiency during cleaning sessions. I love being able to know how long it takes to clean a room around the house. In conclusion, the Roomba Combo 10 Max stands out for its thoughtful innovations, ensuring both convenience and flexibility for diverse cleaning needs.